Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, please join the journey down below. Press a button or two if you wish. Today I'm coming at you with a new mocktail recipe. We are going to be making today a drink I made up called a Pom Nom. I don't know. So I'm gonna give you a little background on myself. I was once a bartender many years ago, and I started living a alcohol-free life a little over 500 days ago. Since that, I have not looked back one time, but since becoming alcohol-free, it has become very apparent to me that there is a lack of non-alcoholic options in restaurants, bars, even grocery stores. That has now inspired me to want to come up with my own recipes. I enjoy drinking yummy drinks and like to feel like I'm a part of a group, and if you go out, sometimes that's not an option. So I do it here in my house. We just recently got a new grocery store in town, and they started selling Seedlip. If you haven't ever heard of Seedlip, they are a non-alcoholic spirits. I'm obviously not sponsored by them, but I will tell you, whenever I was in that grocery store and I saw that they were selling Seedlip, I audibly gasped. I was so excited. I thought this was something that was only online and that was unobtainable to me, so I was very excited. So I picked up the citrus version, or the Grow 42. They also offer an herbal and a spice. I think the herbal is more gin and the spice is more whiskey-esque. This one is more very similar. Once I opened it and tasted it, gave it a smell, it gave me triple sec and Cointreau vibes. So with that, with coming up with a cocktail with this, I keep looking at it, I'm sorry. With coming up with a cocktail with this though, I had to think of it more, because triple sec and Cointreau, some people do drink Cointreau, but triple sec is more of a star of a drink, but more of a supporting role. So I wanted to think of something where I could still get this, taste the flavor of it, but obviously not just have this like this in soda, which I have read that people have done that. I have not tried it. But I wanted to give something special, a little flair. You know how we do here. I came up with the Pom Nom because I didn't want to do just a basic margarita, which is like what normal people, if as a bartender, the first thing that comes to mind whenever I think of triple sec is margarita. And then from there it would be like a Cosmo, which is very similar to this, stuff like that. So which is where I was heading. Pomegranate is not a ingredient that I have ever really used. I've eaten pomegranate, but I've never tried pomegranate juice. So this was all new to me. I was excited with that that grocery store that I was telling you about. They also started selling all these yummy juices, these Cudsons. I'm gonna tell you the ingredients that are in this and tools that you will need. We will need ice, a shaker, some Seedlip's Grow 42, pomegranate juice, a peach Luza. You could also use any kind of other peach drink. Some lemon juice, some sparkling water, and then just the vessel. Today the vessel that we're using is a cup with a rounded bottom. A knife and a jigger, a cutting board, and we're gonna use lemon as some garnish. This should be a nice tart beverage with a hint of sweetness from the peach. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's do it. Remember, you guys, I use this as well for like little side shots. So if you see it, you see it. Okay. All right, let's get started. We are going to start with a shaker. So we have our handy dandy gold shaker here. We are going to start off with some ice cubes. Run away, ice cubes. We're gonna put about, I don't know, some ice cubes in there. I like to eyeball it, so I put about 8 ice cubes. It really just matters. It's just like about halfway to the top. So, about that much. Everyone's ice cubes are different sizes, so yeah, no. All right, we're gonna start off with the Seedlip. So doing 1.5 ounces of the Seedlip 42. This side is 1.5, this side is 1. Do a little pour there. The pomegranate juice. I use the Hudson's Just Pomegranate Juice. So it's 1. I made a drip. 1.5 plus 1 equals 2.5. Then we're gonna do some peach luza. We're gonna do 1.5 with the peach luza. I might not be pronouncing this correctly, so forgive me if I'm wrong. We're gonna do just a splash of lemon juice. We're going to take our shaker and give it a 1-2 shake. You see how the outside gets so nice and cold? Got ourselves a nice frothy beverage. I'm going to take your vessel or your cup. I just call it a vessel, guys, don't judge me. And take our cup and pour that in like that. Just to do a little sparkle, we're doing some LaCroix, seltzer water, just pure. We're just gonna do a little top on top. Nothing crazy, not a lot, just a little. Just to give it a little effervescence. We're going to take our, and make a little wheel. I'm gonna cut a slice in it. We're gonna put this just like that. We are queening out of control. Look. Now I'm gonna admit, the color is unappealing. The color is unappealing, but the taste is out of this world. It's very different flavor. You get a lot of tartness, which is why I put the peach in, because I really felt like it needed something sweet between the pomegranate, the lemon juice, the citrus, a ton of tartness, ton of almost sour. You throw in the peach, it cuts the tart. You add the seltzer water to settle down all of the flavors so they're not just like punch, punch, punch. And you got yourself a yummy, almost looks like kind of like a Mai Tai to me. Like the colors look very Mai Tai. Mai Tai, Tai Tai. So, if you guys do end up making this, please tag me on social media. It's _ she's on a journey on Instagram, Twitter. Just tag me, comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed, if you did try it and you enjoyed it. And let me know what kind of other mocktails you guys are interested in seeing. Any other non-alcoholic spirits that you would be interested in me doing, or anything. Just say what's up, you know what I mean? So thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, you guys have a good one. Bye.